All of us eat food every day, but have you ever really stopped to notice what you eat? We usually eat meals without thinking much about them, but did you know that the food we eat is connected to where we live, what's available around us, and even the climate of the region? Let's start by doing an activity from our textbook. In Table 3.1, we can see a table for recording what we eat. You can do something similar at home. List all the food items you have eaten over the past week. Write down everything from breakfast to dinner. Once you have your list, you can compare it with your friends. What similarities and differences do you find? Are there foods that everyone eats, or do you have some unique choices? Write down your observations in your notebook, just like the book suggests. Now, let's go further and explore the amazing variety of food across India. Have you ever wondered why people from different states eat different foods? Let's think about this. Why do you think food choices are so different from state to state? Let's dive deeper and find out by exploring the traditional foods and crops grown in various parts of India. You can use books, the internet, or even ask your family and neighbors for more information. For example, if we look at Table 3.2 in our textbook, we see the different foods eaten in Punjab and Karnataka. In Punjab, makki roti and sarson da saag are popular, while in Karnataka, people love to eat idli, dosa, and ragi mudda. But now, let's also look at Assam, a state known for its rich, diverse cuisine influenced by the natural surroundings and culture. In Assam, food is often flavorful, with a combination of spices, herbs, and simple cooking methods. The state is famous for rice, which is a staple food. In Assam, dishes like khichdi, masor tenga, a tangy fish curry, and pitha, rice cakes, are commonly enjoyed. The unique feature of Assamese cuisine is the use of fermented foods and local herbs, which gives the food its distinct flavor. Assam is also known for its tea. The state produces some of the best tea in the world, and it's often served with snacks like samosas or pithas, traditional rice cakes. This tea culture is deeply rooted in Assamese society. What do you think? Why do these regions have such different food choices? Now, let's look at what crops are grown in each of these places. In Punjab, maize and wheat are the most common crops, while in Karnataka, rice and ragi are staples. You can see that the traditional foods of these states are connected to the crops that are grown there. In Assam, rice is the primary crop, grown in abundance, along with crops like mustard, lentils, and vegetables like pumpkins and eggplants. The fertile Brahmaputra Valley supports the growth of these crops, which are used in a variety of Assamese dishes. India is an agricultural country with a variety of soil and climate conditions. This means that different regions grow different crops, and this influences what people eat. For example, wheat grows well in the north because of the cold, dry weather, while rice grows better in the south because of the warm, wet conditions. In Kerala, coconut is widely used in cooking. Dishes like avial, a vegetable curry with coconut, and Kerala sadhya, a traditional feast, feature coconut in various forms. The climate in Kerala is perfect for growing coconut palms, which is why this food is such a key part of their diet. We also see that food choices are influenced by things like local climate, taste preferences, culture, and traditions. For example, rice is more common in the south, while wheat is more popular in the north. In many states, dishes like dal, roti, and rice are common, but each state also has its own unique foods. For example, pulihora from Andhra Pradesh or boot khakis from Madhya Pradesh are special to their regions. Rajasthan is known for its dried foods like bajre ki roti, pearl millet bread, and dal bati churma, lentils and wheat balls with sweet crushed wheat. The harsh, dry climate in Rajasthan means that these dishes can be preserved easily and are perfect for the hot desert environment. By exploring the variety of foods across India, we can see how the food we eat is shaped by the crops grown, the local climate, and the culture of each region. So, let's celebrate the rich diversity of food in India and appreciate how every region has its own special way of cooking and eating. If you enjoyed learning about the diversity of food across India, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting lessons. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the knowledge about India's rich food culture. Let's continue exploring the world around us and learning together. See you in the next video.